All right, those are just our honey grams right onto our baking sheet. Now I've got 4 sticks of butter over to my stove. To that, I'm gonna add 2 cups of light brown sugar. You can use dark if you like. We're just gonna give this a good mix and get it all melted together. Alrighty, we got this all combined and boiling together. I am just gonna turn the heat off on my stove and we're gonna take this over to our counter. For our favorite part, we're just gonna pour all this delicious candy right on top of these graham crackers. Looking good. All right, I'm just gonna smooth this onto all of our grahams with my spatula here real quick before it starts kind of setting. This looks amazing. It's thick, delicious, easy to make caramel. Alrighty, I'm gonna pop this in my oven at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, that was 5 minutes in the oven at 400 and they are bubbling. Okay, ours look like they're still pretty well separated, but I'm just gonna make sure I don't want them overlapping because it's gonna be much easier to break them apart after the fact if they are not touching one another. So I am just gonna come through with my spatula and kind of make sure we've got some space between each of them. Alrighty, I've got my Hershey's chocolate bars. I'm using the special dark because I love dark chocolate, but you can always use milk chocolate. You can use the kind with almonds, whatever your preferred chocolate pieces are. And I am just gonna come in, so I broke those into quarters as the bar allows. And I am gonna place one of these onto each cracker. You can kind of see the crackers. Just on half of our sheet here. These are gonna be nice and sticky icky to our sheet. Look at this, it's already starting to congeal, harden up, become caramel. I'm just gonna pop this into my fridge outside. Well, this one's kind of full. For about, an hour or 2 to set. Alrighty, y'all. We put it in the freezer for just about an hour. So you can make this up real quick. Now I did stick my knife around the edges off camera to just kind of like speed up this process for y'all. But so what we're gonna do, lift this whole thing out. Perfect. And we're gonna start breaking this up. And I'm gonna break up this first row of grams, separate them, and then I'm breaking them into individuals. And I'm just gonna pop these right over here into my loaf pan. And we are just gonna continue on this little trajectory, getting these all broken up. Wow, we've got a lot of caramel happening here, but I think some people are really gonna like that actually. All right, we're on to our chocolate half, and we are just gonna do the same thing here. Breaking these into individual squares. I'm popping them in our loaf pan. Alrighty, y'all, we're just gonna take these outside. All right, y'all, moment of truth. I'm putting 2 of my grams with that caramel together. Y'all, I really wanted the square marshmallows, but they did not have them at my grocery store. Oh my God. This is so good. Y'all, you gotta try this.